Welcome to this extraordinary journey where we will discover how sound can profoundly influence your life. Have you ever felt your mood change when listening to a certain song or melody? Have you noticed how certain sounds make you feel calm, while others fill you with energy? In this video, we will dive into the world of sound energy and learn how music and sound vibrations affect your mind, body, and soul. We'll explore how these elements can be used for healing, emotional balance, and even for changing your daily life. Ready to embark on this fascinating adventure? The power of sound has been known to humanity for millennia. Ancient civilizations such as the Egyptians, Greeks, and Tibetans understood the significance of sound vibrations in their spiritual and healing practices. They used musical instruments, chants, and sacred sounds to achieve higher levels of consciousness. Even today, in temples, shrines, and sacred spaces, you can hear the deep resonating tones of bells, gongs, and bowls that create an atmosphere of peace and serenity. Tibetan singing bowls are an excellent example of how sound can affect our inner world. Made from a combination of metals, these bowls produce rich, vibrating sounds when played with a mallet. The vibrations create deep resonance that helps balance the energy of the body, calm the mind, and promote relaxation. When these sounds fill the room, they create a sense of harmony and peace, which is why Tibetan monks have used them for centuries in their meditative practices. Similarly, mantras have been used for millennia in different spiritual traditions to harmonize space and the soul. Mantras are powerful sound combinations that, when repeated, create vibrations that influence our emotional state, cleanse our thoughts, and connect us to the deeper aspects of our being. For example, the mantra Om is considered the sound of the universe and is believed to attune a person to the frequency of the cosmos, helping to dissolve negativity and open the path to inner peace. The phenomenon of sound healing is closely related to these practices. Sound therapy is now widely used in the modern world to treat various physical and emotional issues. It includes listening to certain frequencies, tones, and rhythms that influence brainwaves, help reduce stress, and even promote physical healing. Instruments like tuning forks, which produce clear, resonant tones, are often used in sound healing sessions to restore harmony in the body. Not only spiritual practices benefit from sound, but also everyday life can improve significantly with the right music. Classical music, especially symphonic pieces, has a profound effect on the brain. Studies have shown that listening to compositions by Mozart, Beethoven, and Bach can increase concentration, stimulate creativity, and even improve memory. The complex, structured melodies of classical music create a unique environment where the mind can relax, focus, and find inspiration. Musical instruments play a vital role in creating these healing and inspiring vibrations. The violin, with its deep, rich sound, can evoke deep emotions, while the harp's soothing notes calm the nervous system. The powerful resonance of the cello penetrates deep into the heart, while the flute, with its airy tone, seems to touch the very soul. Each instrument has its own frequency and vibration that connects with the human body in a special way, creating a bridge between the physical and spiritual. One fascinating example of this connection between sound and health is the concept of the Mozart effect. This theory suggests that listening to classical music can improve cognitive functions, especially in children. It is believed that the structured and harmonious rhythms of Mozart's music stimulate brain activity, which enhances memory, problem-solving skills, and even emotional intelligence. Orchestral music, especially live performances, has an incredible energy that can fill the entire room with vibrations that reach the soul. When you hear the orchestra play, the combination of strings, brass, woodwinds, and percussion creates a rich, full sound that you can feel in your entire body. This immersive experience affects not only the listener's emotions, but also their physical state, as the sound waves penetrate every cell of the body, creating a unique therapeutic effect. The same effect can be achieved with other genres of music, as long as they resonate with your inner energy. Each of us has our own frequency of music that helps us relax, energize, or heal. For some, it may be the meditative sounds of nature. For others, the rhythms of jazz or even electronic music. The main point is to find what works for you and incorporate it into your life. Sound also plays a crucial role in nature. The wind rustling through the trees, the sound of waves crashing against the shore, birds singing at dawn. All of these sounds have a natural, harmonizing effect on us. Listening to nature sounds can lower stress levels, reduce anxiety, and improve overall well-being. Nature itself provides us with a vast sound landscape that influences our energy on a deep level. But how does this work? When we hear sound, it creates vibrations that travel through the air and enter our ears, where they are converted into signals the brain can interpret. These signals affect different areas of the brain, including those responsible for emotions, memory, and decision-making. This is why certain sounds can evoke feelings of joy, sadness, or nostalgia. It's no coincidence that a favorite song from the past can instantly take you back to a particular moment in your life. One of the most important aspects of sound is its frequency. Everything in the universe, including our bodies, vibrates at certain frequencies. When we listen to music or sounds that align with our natural vibrations, we feel more balanced and harmonious. However, if we are surrounded by noise or discordant sounds, it can lead to stress, anxiety, and even physical illness. This is why it's so important to choose the right sounds for your environment. So, how can you use the power of sound in your life? First, find the music or sounds that resonate with you. It might be classical music, Tibetan bowls, nature sounds, or even a favorite playlist. Experiment with different genres and instruments until you find what makes you feel most at peace or energized. Next, try using sound in your daily routine. Start your morning with a calming piece of music to set the tone for the day, or listen to uplifting melodies while exercising. When you need to focus, classical or instrumental music can help keep your mind sharp. In the evening, soothing sounds can help you relax and prepare for restful sleep. Another powerful tool is incorporating sound into your meditation practice. Whether through chanting, listening to mantras, or using Tibetan singing bowls, sound can help deepen your meditation experience, bringing you closer to a state of inner peace and balance. You can also use sound to cleanse and harmonize the energy of your living space. Playing soft, healing music or using singing bowls can shift the energy in a room, making it feel more peaceful and aligned. This practice is especially beneficial after stressful events or when you're looking to create a more positive atmosphere in your home. The key is to be mindful of the sounds you surround yourself with. Just as we pay attention to what we eat or how we move our bodies, we should also be aware of the auditory environment we create. By consciously choosing harmonious, uplifting sounds, you can transform your energy, improve your mood, and enhance your overall well-being. Music and sound are powerful tools for transformation. They can heal, inspire, and bring us closer to our true selves. Whether through classical music, the sound of nature, or spiritual practices like mantras and singing bowls, sound has the ability to touch every aspect of our lives. Take the time to explore how sound influences you and allow it to guide you on a path of inner peace and harmony. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. When we reach 5,000 likes, I'll release a special video on how to use sound vibrations to unlock your personal financial success. Stay tuned for more content that will inspire and guide you on your journey of self-discovery.